Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and on today's video we hopped on a bus, my Sea Experiences bus, to have a sea experience.
Where are we today?
Port to Alcudia, going to the Blue Caves.
And if you didn't quite get that, that was Helen saying we're in the port of Alcudia in Mallorca, and we're on a sea experience and we're going to some blue caves, and there passengers will have the opportunity to swim in the caves and do some snorkeling. We're going to see some quite spectacular caves and also some lovely secluded areas, some hidden gems. So sit back and enjoy. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll put full details of my sea experiences down below. This trip was booked through my Sea Experiences and was great value for money at just €65 per person. And we are visiting a national park.
Helen! Whoa, where are we?
Alcudia.
And where are we going?
Okay.
My Sea Experiences offer lots of different trips, and we'll put more details in the description box below. Now the boat was bouncing along quite quickly, although I've speeded up this part of the video as we head towards these imposing hills and craggy mountains towards the blue caves. And you'll see why when we get nearer, why they're called the blue caves. And as you go along, you can look at these craggy hillsides and almost pick out faces. Is that Donald Trump? And just look at the colour of this water. We actually dropped anchor here and people dived in to have a swim around and to go inside one of these blue caves. Now I stayed on the boat because I always worry once I get off a boat that I can't get back on again. And I've got to say, I did struggle getting on and getting off, but the staff on the boat were absolutely fantastic and really helpful. So thank you for that. Can you see the bird? Looking one way, looking the other. Oh, it spotted me and it's off. Off to catch a fish for tea. And we had 3 stops along the way, and this is the second stop where we go into this little pirate cave. And we're now heading to our next stopping point, where you can get out and have a 45-minute snorkel, or perhaps just a walk around, and it really is quite beautiful. And isn't this absolutely beautiful along the coast in Mallorca? Imagine owning that boat and just sitting there, relaxing in this beautiful cove. And look how clear the water is. You can see right down to the bottom. In fact, in a moment we'll have a look and see whether we can spot any little fishes. The trip stopped here for 45 minutes, and it gave people a chance to go and do some snorkeling, go and do some exploring, or even go on one of the paddle boards. And look at these little fishes swimming around in the clear water. Beautiful. We were lucky we had some great weather here in April, and it was around 29 degrees. We were stopping at the Zafiro Hotel in Playa de Muro, and there is a video on the channel right now if you want to check that out. Here's a jellyfish. And more little fish swimming in the sea. And back onto the boat now for the trip back. And it was very cold on the way back, so the only thing to do was cover myself with a towel. And when we got back, it was back onto the bus to go back to the hotel. An experience that lasted from around about 10:30 until about 2:45. And we leave you with a few more images from a perfect day out in Mallorca. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.